Hey everyone, Yusuf here from Airstack, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fetch Farcaster channels details data using the Airstack API within just a few minutes. So first, we already have a dedicated Farcaster channels API right here. You can just click on that, and after that, you can reveal some inputs up here. And also, if you click on the Farcaster channel, then you'll get a bunch of output fields that you can choose later on. So to get the Farcaster channel details of a particular channel, then you just need to provide like a really simple input filter right here, which is the channel ID. Use the equal operator right here. And from here, you just need to provide the channel ID right here. So in case you don't know what channel ID is, essentially channel ID is just the ID that is associated with the channel, and it's usually like with slash the channel ID. So for example, like this Farcaster devs channel, the ID is going to be fc-devs right there. So once you have the channel ID, simply just in the channel ID input right there, and we're done with the input. Now once we have that essentially we just need to choose what output field that we want from create at timestamp. And then also we can get the description, the name. If we want to get the lead FID, we can also do that. The lead profile is for if you want to uh, get more details about the lead itself. And then also you get the follower count and also the URL and image URL if there's any as well, and many other more. So once you have the query ready, essentially you can simply run this query just like that. And there you go. You get all the information regarding the channel itself in one request. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to reply down in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.